So I'm going along, my rotary cutter's not working properly, so I decide I'm going to change the blade. So I get a nice fresh blade, and then I get it all apart. I can't get this piece back on. So I just keep struggling and struggling, and I can't understand why I can't get it back on. So I take it all apart. I take the blade out. This is the old blade, so that's going to go in that one. And then I see this. This is inside of my rotary cutter. So that, you can see, it's not going to be able to shut because there's just so much lint in there. So this, I've never noticed this before, and I thought I would just share that with you. I've never had a problem with it. So I'm just going to take all that lint out. That's a pretty good bunch of lint there. And now I'm going to try to put this back together. And now it popped right through. So now it pops right back in. I can put the screw right back on. Now you know. If this doesn't go in properly, you can just take the lint out. And then I like to write on the back, cross off the old date, put today's date. Nothing like a new blade. Happy quilting, happy sewing. Bye, little Miss Reddy Thready.